Hello all student, welcome our YouTube channel. Contact me my WhatsApp number and I can help you for Excel assignment, Word assignment, PowerPoint assignment and then assess assignment for Cengage. And my WhatsApp number show on the PC. So contact me my WhatsApp number and hold watching my video and get step by step. So do not waste time for students. So let's start Capstone assignment for Cengage for 2026 semester. So let's start. Then simply go to the instruction. So then go and then start a capstone. Okay, so then started. Then title of the assignment, capstone assignment, percentage. So title of the assignment, new perspective, excerpt history 5, module 912, SAM capstone project A. So go to the step of the assignment. Step 1, main part of the step and main instruction not important. So do not waste time for video instruction for students. So let's start. Step 1. Then step 1 is given. Then go to the overview worksheet. Okay, so then simply go to the Excel and then go to the overview. Okay. Then unprotect the content. Okay, so then simply go to the Excel again, then go to the view tab and then select the unprotect worksheet. Okay, so then say no issue. Then next step, step 2, part of the step. Then in the range C4 up to C37 create a data validation rule. Okay, so then go back, then select the column C, then select the range C4. So then select the range C4 up to C37. Okay, then apply the data validation rule. Okay, so then go back and then go to the data tab and then select the data validation. Okay, then accept the only list value. Okay, so then select the list. Okay, so then range is given I4 up to I7 list range. Okay, so then selected the range I4 up to I7. Okay, then import message, then simply copy the service title, import message. Do not waste time for reading. Okay, so then paste and then again copy, then paste, next, then copy. Okay, and then paste, and then copy and then paste. Okay, then click OK. Then part B completed and then part C completed for step 2. Okay, so next step, part of the step. Then in the NC4 up to C37, apply the circle invalid data. Okay, so then go back and then select the column C. So then already selected. Okay, then apply the invalid data. So then apply, then C. Okay, so then part B of the step. Then change the invalid data into to IT. Okay, so then go back and then select the IT. So then select the IT. Okay, then again apply the invalid data. So then C, then say no issue. Okay, so then part C completed. No issue. Okay, for the Excel. So next step, step 4, then main part of the step. Then in cell J11 enter a formula using the decount function. Okay, so then go Excel again, then select cell G11. So then selected, put equal sign, then apply the decount function. So then apply decount. Okay. Then database is given for the use the entire constant table for the database value. Okay, so then go back, then select the whole table. So then select the whole table. So then selected. Okay, then say no issue. Okay, so then field is given, then apply the field contract. Okay, so then simply copy the contract, then copy and then paste. Okay, then criteria range is given I9 up to I10. Okay, so then I9 up to I10, then say, then click OK. Okay, so go back instruction again. So next step, step 5. Then in cell J15 enter a formula using the D sum function. Okay, so then go back, then select the cell J15, put equal sign, then apply the D sum function. So then apply. Okay, so then apply the database value is given again whole table for the construct table. Okay, so then select the whole table. Okay, then field is given, for step 5 initial payment. So then simply copy initial payment, then go back and then simply paste. Okay, So then criteria range is given I13 up to I14. Okay, so then select the range I13 up to I14. So then selected, then click OK. So then see no issue. Okay. So next step 6. Then in cell J90 enter formula using the dmax function. Okay, go Excel again. Then select cell J90, put equal sign, then apply the dmax function. Okay, so then apply dmax. Okay, then apply the dmax. Yes, so then put equal sign, then apply the dmax. So then apply. Okay, then better database is given. Then apply the again whole table for the constraint table. So then select the whole table. So then select the whole table. Okay, then field is given. Then apply the initial payment again. So then simply copy the initial payment. So then copy, then go back and then paste. Okay, then criteria range is given I17 up to I18. Okay, so then I17 up to I18. So then click OK, then see no issue. Okay, so next step 7. Then in cell J23 enter a formula using the D average function. Okay, so then go back, then select cell J23. So then select it, put equal sign, then apply the D average function. So then apply. Okay, then database again. Select the whole table for the constraint table. So then select the whole table. Okay, then field is given. Then contract. Okay, so then simply copy the contract. Okay, then range is given I21 up to I22. Okay, so then select the range, criteria range I21 up to I22. Okay, so then click OK, then see no issue. Okay, so next step 7, part A of the step. Then open the copy summary macro in the VBR. Okay, so then go back and then go to the developer tab and then go to the VBR. Okay, and then open the copy summary macro. Okay, so then open and then part B. Then in the copy summary macro BBR code, then change the range. Then range is given I3 up to I23, I3 up to L23. Okay, so then go back, then go to the VBR and then select the range, then change the range I3 up to L23. So then change value, then I will check again. Yes, okay, so then click the save. Okay, then close. Okay, so then part C, already save and then close. Okay, so then C. Okay, then part D, then run the copy macro summary. Okay, so then go back, then go to the again developer tab and then click the macro, then select the copy summary macro. So then select it and then click run. Then C, no issue. Okay, then part E, then use the project summary as the new name worksheet. Okay, so then simply copy, then go back and then rename. Okay, so then go instruction again. So next step 9. Then return to the overview worksheet. Okay, so then go and then return to the overview. Okay, then part of the step, then insert a button from the control button in cell I1. Okay, so then go back and then select cell I1, go to the developer tab and then apply the button from control. So then apply. Okay, then insert it. Okay, then part B, then assign the add line macro to the new button. Okay, so then go back and then select the add row and then click OK, then see no issue. Okay, so then part C, Then change the height of the new button to 0.3 and then width 1. Okay, so then go back, then select the new button and then apply the height and then width new. Okay, so then go to the format tab and then apply the width 1, then height 0.3. Okay, so then apply the 0.3. Okay, then part D, then assign the new button to the left of the cell I1 and then top with the top button of the print summary macro. Okay, so then go back and then select the new button. So then position the new button. Okay, then select the second and then one button. Okay, and then apply the align for the top align. Okay, so then apply the top align. Then see no issue. Okay, then party of the step. Then enter the text to display the new project. Okay, so then simply copy, then go back and then apply the text. Okay, and then apply. Then see no issue. Okay, so next step, step 10. Then so go to the project by state worksheet. Okay, so then go and then go to the project by state. So then go. Okay, then refresh the pivot table. Okay, so then go back and then click any of the pivot table, then go to the answer tab and then go to the refresh and then click refresh all. So then see no issue. Okay, so next step, step 11. Then change the report layout to show the pivot table in the outline form. Okay, so then go back, then go to the design tab and then click the layout and then select the outline form. Then see no issue. Okay, then part B of the step, then group the start date value only by the month. Okay, so then go back and then select the start date column and then right click for the mouse. Okay, then select the group and then select the only month, then click OK. So then see no issue. Okay, so then part C, so the value in the state field in ascending order. Okay, so then go back and then select the state field, then go to the sort and then select the A to Z. Okay, so then see no issue. So next step, step 12. Then go to the again overview worksheet. Okay, so then go back and then again to the overview. Okay, then part of the step, then in cell J26 insert a formula using the get pivot data function. Okay, so then go back and then select cell J26, put equal sign and then apply the function for the get pivot data and then apply the G5 of the project base state worksheet. Okay, so then go to the state project by state and then select cell G5. So then select cell J5, G5. Okay, so then by mistake G5. Okay, then part B, then in cell J27 insert a formula using the get pivot data function. Okay, so then go back and then put equal sign, then apply the cell J G11 for the project by state worksheet. Okay, so then go and then select cell G11, then apply, again put equal sign and then again to the project base state worksheet and then apply the cell J G18. Okay, so then apply the G18, then apply, put equal sign and then go to the again project base state, then go to the cell 23 for the G23. Okay, so then see, so I will check, then see no issue, then part C completed and then part D completed. Okay, so of the assignment complete, total step 12 and total step of the capstone assignment for 2026 semester, for total step 31. But I already complete the assignment. I will show students score, so then I will show. Okay, so then go back and then go to the show Then C, no issue. Okay. 98 out of 100 for Capstone assignment for 2026 semester for Cengage. Okay. So contact me my WhatsApp number and I can help you for Excel assignment, Word assignment, PowerPoint assignment, and then assess assignment for Sanjay and get all assignment 90 plus score. So thank you so much for watching my video. Again, thanks.